So you're ready to make money with your craft machine. There are 5 key areas that I really want you to focus on as you transition from crafter to business owner. Let's talk about it. We're going to go after low-hanging fruit first. And what I mean by that is we're going to pick the projects that are going to be the easiest to complete. We're going to go for decals, personalized items, anything that is really giftable. This stuff is not going to get you rolling in the dough, but what it is going to get you is it's going to get you experience in selling, in marketing, in understanding what it feels like to complete a project and exchange it for cash. The next thing that I want you to focus on is finding the projects that genuinely make you happy. There are so many projects out there that you can create with your Cricut machine, but not all the projects are going to vibe with you. I'll give you an example. I personally thought that making tumblers looked so awesome. I loved all the things that you could do with it. In practice, that was terrible. Sounds super cliche, but if you're happy doing what you're doing, you'll never work a day in your life, and that is so unbelievable. Now, this is not something that you are going to have to commit to for the rest of your life. If in a year from now you are not happy doing this anymore, don't do it. Switch it up. But I do want you to find something that you actually like making, because you're going to be making a lot of them. The next thing that I want you to do is invest in some good quality mockups. Mockups are images that you can lay your design over. It gives the customers an idea of what it is that you're capable of, what you're looking to create for them. Now, it is important to know that you actually can make the finished project, but starting out, investing a ton of money in supplies and material that might not sell is not what I want for you. That is literally the quickest way to deplete all of your funds and get it to where you want to quit tomorrow. Ask me how I know. So another thing that I want you to focus on is your customer service skills. I'm sure by now you've joined a few different groups where they talk about selling and crazy customers and everything else. While you're in those groups and you're seeing those posts come across your screen, I want you to really take a minute and read the post. I want you to read all the comments too. I want you to really absorb the ones that resonate with you, how they handled it. If you need more reference, just think about when you've had a bad situation in a business. How did they handle it? How did that make you feel? I don't want you to have an in-the-moment bad lash out against a customer, because bad news spreads faster than good news. At the end of the day, people buy from people. And I'm a strong believer in what you put out in the universe, it's going to come back to you. Another thing that I want you to focus on is practice saying no. Not all money is good money. Make sure that the projects that you take on align with your beliefs. I also want you to know, if your gut is telling you something is off, walk away. And the last thing that I'm going to leave you with is mind your own business. And I mean that in the most respectful way possible. Literally mind your business. Are there going to be people that start after you and blow up? Absolutely. And that's okay, because there are so many customers out there. And there's someone out there waiting for you right now to finish that product and list it. Starting a business is so much more than posting a product. As you develop your skills, your customer service, as you dive into the person that you are going to be as a small business owner, you're going to stand out in ways that everyone else doesn't. That's what's going to make you unique. That's what's going to make people want to buy from you, want to shop from you. And honestly, if crafting is a passion of yours and you love doing what you're doing, it won't matter what anyone else is doing. But coming from experience, comparison is a thief of joy, and it is the quickest way to ruin your day. And if you're really serious about making money with your craft machine, meet me in this video here. I'm going to tell you a few places where you can go to start making money. Until next time, crafters.